Let's go ahead and finish adding the fields to this content type. I'm going to jump back over to our list of tours. And we have our tour name and location, and now we need our tour type. And if we want to, we can look at some of the data for examples of what this will look like. This is mountain climb, extreme snorkeling, base jumping. Okay, so this looks like a text input as well. Let's go ahead and add a new one called tour type. And for the field, we'll do tour type using underscores for the spaces and turning it all to lowercase. For the type, we'll go ahead and select text. And again, we only have one widget. Let's go ahead and click save. Let's just skip this. We don't need to edit it at all. We'll go ahead and click Save Field Settings. Our label is good. We'll leave this unrequired. Again, this is so that users can fill in this partially at first and then fill in the rest later. We'll leave the size of text field. Text processing, we'll go ahead and leave it plain text. We'll leave the help text blank, and I'm scrolling down. And we'll leave the number of values and maximum length as is. Okay, I'm going to click Save Settings. Let's go ahead and add another field. I'm going to jump back to the data. Our next field that we need to add is dates. And we see here a couple of examples, September 3 through 7, 2020, September 12th through 15th. Okay, let's go ahead and leave this text for now just to keep it simple. And we'll come back later if we find a better way to do this, which, as a hint, we will. Let's add a label of dates and a name of dates as well. Let's select a text field here and go ahead and click Save. We'll move on to the next settings page. Leave this all plain for now. Save it as the defaults. And let's go ahead and add our final field. I'm going to jump back to the data. We have tour guide left. And let's see, we have Joey Smitty, Kate Zanzerblath, Phil Terry. And I know from looking at the data that we've gotten sent in the mockups that we're also going to be creating pages for these guides. And wouldn't it be cool to be able to automatically link up to those pages somehow when these items are created and the tour guide is added to them? Well, let's not worry about that for now, but keep it in mind for the future. We'll come back and improve it to be able to do that. But for now, let's go ahead and keep these plain text. Let's go ahead and add a new field. We'll call it guide, and we'll use the name guide as well. We'll select a field type of text, and let's go ahead and click Save. Now again, from having done this several times before, we know that the default settings will work for us for now. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click Save Settings one more time. Okay, now we have our full set of fields that we'll need to begin adding data to our Drupal site.